So we have the apron,
The Aria fold.
the Aria fold of the apron.
So I try to put the tag on the inside if possible. Meet these corners up here. I always bring the corners here together and follow it down. We have the other end kind of like a sheet.
Okay, so we're making a rectangle sheet.
So it's just folded in half right now. We're
Okay.
gonna fold it in half again, long ways. I flip it to height this.
Readjust.
Readjust your edges. Some of these are older, so they kind of wrinkle. There's not too much we can do. Fold it
Fold in
one
half.
at a time. Then we fold in the ends.
So we're folding the ends to kind of tuck them in, so that way it doesn't look too a package. So there we
This
go.
is a pocket or a seam of the apron. So.
Okay, just a second.